Good morning and welcome to Academic Technologies. My name is Nikhil Bamrajpet.
And I'm Anisha Wazid.
And you may be asking yourself, well, what resources does DOIT provide to its students?
Well, let's find out. First, I'll take you through some of the software that we offer. We have a software catalog that lists all the software owned by Stony Brook, and they can be accessed by SoftWeb. And you can log into SoftWeb using your NetID and your password, and we also have free antivirus. So make sure to protect your device with an antivirus. It's very crucial. And we also have free Office 365, and it can be accessed by Googling Office 365 Stony Brook University, and it will bring you to the page Microsoft Office 365, and once you click on the launch Office, it will take you to your NetID information. Please input those information and you will be able to install Office 365 for free. We also hold a workshop like Universal Design Technical Documentation and Student Success Tip. So come learn with us and find more at SB Engaged. And we also provide Blackboard and NetID help, and your NetID is your first initial and your last name.
Somebody just called and asked me how you can get help. Well, there are a couple of ways that you can do that, okay? First off, you can call us at 631-632-2358. You can send us an email at blackboard@stonybrook.edu. You can put in a ticket at service.stonybrook.edu, and you can also chat with us through Ivy. Now, here are some tips for online learners. One of the first things that you can do is create study spaces. Another thing is effective time management. Be sure to be using your Google Calendar. Another important thing is to be rewatching your Zoom videos for effective studying.
You have made it this far.
And we're going to help you get to the finish.